Hey friends, it is Julius Washington, your top of mind realtor for new construction and all things real estate here in Greater Columbia of South Carolina. Today we are touring a four-sided brick home in the gated community of Northwoods Villa of Woodcreek Farms, which is situated in Elgin, South Carolina. This floor plan is called the Beacon by Lennar Homes. And this home presents one of the few opportunities left here in Columbia, South Carolina for four-sided brick new construction. The home is slightly over 2425 square feet and is priced right in the high 380,000s. As you step inside this home, enjoy elegant quartz countertops, a spacious gourmet kitchen with a large island, stainless steel appliances, double ovens, fireplace, and a wood inspired vinyl plank flooring throughout the first floor. The first floor owner suite boasts a spacious walk in closet and a luxurious double vanity bathroom with tiled floors and a shower. When you speak of location, you have to love where this community is situated. It's 20 minutes from Fort Jackson, 25 minutes from downtown Columbia, and 40 minutes from Shaw Air Force Base. If you are enjoying the information and the tours that I put out on a routine basis on my YouTube channel, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. More importantly, if I can help you purchase this home or any home here in the Metro Columbia area, it would truly be my pleasure. In the meantime, enjoy the tour.
future.